Hello everyone. I'm from Shanghai, but I moved to Berlin this year, so I can tell you some story about my works. And today my topic is to be a user or not. Um,
Would you be my friend?
I think everyone
I
should say
suppose you're
the
there.
video first.
Do I look real to you? I hope so. Would you be my friend?
I hate people, but I
I
love
suppose
you.
you're there.
I think as you say, you can see the two cybergirls talking to each other. Um, and these things that take place in our most the familiar environment, the desktop. I think everyone say the desktop. And we will be quickly brought into the wheel. The cybergirl is also in your dialogue. What that means, I think the cybergirl also talk to you because you are faced to the desktop every day. Why they are not talk to you? So I think now for the desktop, no one thought you are not the user. And to be a user, I think we have the sabotage change in the, I think to the other peoples. And I think you can see the video. It's a very simple video. I do a small things. It's when I change the code, increase the height of the client. And also I modify the system time. What that means, it means maybe we can, to be a user, to do a time travel. In the Mac OS, I think we can wander between the 1979 to the 2038. And you can create something in the different point of the time and also destroy all the things in the any time during the range. And you can see on the screen, it's the kind of the icon or the offender. It's from my friend. We know each other online. And I invite her, the offender, to join my solo show. I just put a very small the screen on the wall. And a lot of people ask me who she is, but I think for me, I know everything through the social media about her. I don't care about who or she or is it a man or the animal, is the machine. I don't care because I read the message, try to feeling her on the social media. So it's so different. I think to be a user, we have some problems. Maybe now a lot of the interface try to trading us, like the machine to trading us. I do a website, the visitor can unlimited do the action of the inputting. Just like the bubble paper, you must press the bubbles. It's like you use the kind of the food or use the wood for the dog. I think that now sometimes we face to the machine. We are the piece of the machine. I think to be a user, we have some problem about truth. Do you think we have the authority to touch or to know the truth? I don't think so. We have enough the authority to do that. But I think for the people, we always give the feedback, give another input when we read the news. Sometimes you read the fake news, you comment. Sometimes you reply a different kind of information to your friend by the social media. But do you think it's truth or not truth? You don't care. You just care about the information, reply or said from you. So like the piece, the 404, I think that everyone is working in the in the technology, the area, you know the 4/4 means. So I do the kind of the installation. People can use the kind of the small equipment to print the 4/4 on the wall, but it's meaningless. It's just to build a new wall to cover the truth, I think. But everyone can join. That's now that happened in the world, I think, in the social media. So I think for me, I refuse to be a user. This is the manifesto. And 3 years ago, I started a project. It's named called the Body Shadow. The project is working closely with the traditional Chinese medicine, and based on how the modern Chinese medicine recognizes the body and the meridian system. Through the factor, the dimension, we use the particle system to show the realization of the meridian moment. So you can see on the screen. This is my leg, and we use the 3D scan to get the model into the computer, and we use the particle system to display the meridian, the system, the movement. That's the details. And not finished, we just do the application. We record the trajectory of the moment, put the shadow back to my body, back to my leg. Finally, forming a tattoo. And I think that this is my totem of the quantified self. But I think it's useless. It's another the useless things. I think a lot of the art pieces is useless, but you enjoy that, and you must read that, because useless sometimes is very important for our daily life. So the tattoo is with me as the kind of the totem, and this is my manifesto. And I must say I refuse to be a user. You can see that. And I think the whole my talk is my identity for right now. I learned computer science in the university. When I finished that, I tried to do an artist. And now I almost do the 10 years. Every piece of my works is talking about the internet culture. But now I think I really hate the technology sometimes. I must use the sentence from the Indian. We had been moved too fast, and we have to wait for our soul to catch up. So I think for now, face to the new world, I think now is a new world, a new technology. We must slow and think more. If not, we are too easy to be a user. I think a user, it means you always in the limited. A user, it means you are not an individual, you are in the kind of the group. It means you are very easy to replace by another user. So everyone, try to stop and waiting your soul catch up. Okay, thank you everyone.